The universe is a big mystery, isn't it? Picture this. About 14 billion years ago, it burst into existence with the Big Bang. And since then, it's been stretching out like an inflating balloon. But does this balloon have an edge? Well, sort of. Imagine we're in the center of a giant bubble. Everything we see, the stars, the galaxies, is like stickers on the bubble's surface. But here's the twist. The bubble is growing all the time, so the farthest stickers are now about 45 billion light years away. Now, is the universe a never-ending expanse, or does it wrap back on itself like a cosmic boomerang? Scientists have two wild theories about this. One is the hypersphere idea. Picture our universe as if it were the skin of an orange, except instead of orange peel, it's space itself bending back on itself. Crazy, right? And then there's the hyperdonut idea, where the universe is like the frosting on a donut, infinitely looping around itself. But what if the universe is infinite? That means it goes on forever in every direction, with no edges anywhere. Wrap your head around that. In an infinite universe, anything that can happen will happen, and that includes you watching this video somewhere out there among the stars. Mind-blowing, isn't it? But hold on, we're veering into science philosophy territory. For now, let's stick with what we know. Our observable universe, where we can see the edge, in time at least. And hey, it's big enough for all our dreams and adventures, so let's explore it while we can. Did you know there are more stars in space than grains of sand on all our beaches? Pretty mind-blowing, huh? Now, there's a star called UY Scuti that's so enormous, it could gobble up Jupiter and still have room to spare. That's seriously huge. Now, let's talk about black holes. These cosmic vacuum cleaners are so powerful, not even light can escape them. And here's a fascinating fact. In space, there is a giant cloud of alcohol. Located 10,000 light years away in the constellation Aquila, this massive cloud, called W3OH, contains enough ethyl alcohol to fill 400 trillion pints of beer. Cheers to the universe's cosmic brewery. Did you know that sunsets on Mars are blue? Unlike Earth, where sunsets are typically red or orange, the red planet sunsets appear blue. This happens because Mars's atmosphere, mostly made of carbon dioxide and filled with dust, scatters red light while allowing blue light to pass through. On Earth, sunsets are red or orange due to Rayleigh scattering. As the sun sets, its light travels through more of the Earth's atmosphere, scattering shorter blue wavelengths out of sight and leaving the longer red and orange wavelengths to color the sky. Mars offers a different show. Its atmosphere is much thinner and dominated by fine dust particles. These particles scatter sunlight differently, leading to scattering. On Mars, the dust scatters red wavelengths more than blue ones. As the sun sets, the red light is scattered out of view, and the blue light reaches our eyes, creating stunning blue sunsets. The thin atmosphere of Mars enhances this effect, making the colors more intense and contrasting. The sky appears darker during the day, providing a striking backdrop for the sunset's colors. The dust creates a soft, diffused glow around the setting sun, casting a serene blue tint across the landscape. Imagining a Martian sunset with cool blue tones against the red-hued landscape evokes a sense of wonder about the red planet. It highlights Mars's unique characteristics and reminds us of the incredible diversity in our solar system. The blue sunsets of Mars showcase the fascinating interplay of atmospheric science and celestial observation to infinity and beyond. Well, maybe not quite infinity, but Buzz Lightyear has certainly been to space. On May 31st, 2008, a Buzz Lightyear toy was sent into space on a shuttle. It stayed at the International Space Station for 468 days, the longest time a toy has ever been in space.